Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You're with Lydia, and today's video I am going to share with you on my 4 different types of hijab tutorial that I'm gonna style it with LadybyN Brooches. Look at these pretty things here. So without further ado, let's start. For our first look, I'm going to just use a plain shawl, and we're gonna adjust it to one side short and the other side longer. So now I'm gonna just adjust the front side, just adjust to my liking. Now I'm gonna pin my underneath chin area with the basic hijab pins from LadybyN Jewelry. Next, we're gonna take the longer side and bring them to the back. You can then adjust to your liking and adjust to how you want it to be. Now, I'm gonna take my modern hijabi girl brooch and put it just at the front side of my shawl. They are not just pretty, but the pins are very sharp, smooth and thin that you can easily pin it on your shawl or on any fabrics without damaging it. Yay! So I'm done with my first look. For my second hijab styling, I'm gonna use the same shawl, and the same thing, we're gonna have one side short and the other side longer. For this hijab styling, I'm gonna bring the longer side and place it at the back of my head and bring it back to the front. Then I'm gonna secure it with LadybyN Jewelry basic hijab pins at the side. Once I've secured it, I'm gonna take the excess of the long side of my shawl and bring it to the front. Then I'm gonna adjust and neaten it up. Now I'm gonna take the LadybyN Jewelry brooch and I'm gonna place it at the side of my shawl, just next to my eyes area. This is like kind of sweet look. You placed a flower just on top of your ears that stands perfectly and secured. Next, we're gonna go turbanista with my all-time favorite chic turban. I'm gonna fast forward a bit on this scene, but still I'm gonna show you in detail on how I style this turban. So I'm just gonna pull the whole thing to the front, and then I'm gonna adjust it, hide all the excess, and then bring the long front side to the back, and I'm gonna just hide everything on the elastic band. And I'm actually making a stiff bow at the front. Now I'm gonna take my silver pearl brooch by LadybyN Jewelry, and then I'm gonna place it on my bow. And we are ready! For my fourth and last hijab tutorial for this look, I'm using a crinkled cotton shawl from Zia & Co, and then I'm gonna just place them equally on both sides. Now this is just very simple. I'm going to take my beanie hat and I'm gonna just place it on my head on top of my shawl. I'm gonna just adjust everything and neaten it up to my liking. Lastly, I'm gonna take my cutie kitty brooch by LadybyN Jewelry, and guess where I'm gonna place it? Yes, I'm gonna place it on top of my beanie. Ta-da! That's the end of my hijab tutorial for this video. I hope you enjoy watching it, and I hope this video is beneficial for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video on my YouTube channel for more videos. See ya!